Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I will be showing you how to spoiler an image on Discord. So to do this process, first thing is you can just simply go ahead and go to your Discord, and now here on your Discord, you could just simply go ahead, go to one of your chats or your friend, and now just simply go ahead and select the plus icon. So from here you could just simply go ahead and go for upload a file, and of course you are going to select a picture that you have that you want to send to your friend. And now from here, as you can see, you will have an option over here, spoiler attachment. So from here, as you can see, it is now on spoiler, so we should be able to spend or to send this photo with a spoiler on. And if you want to modify the attachment, you could also mark it as a spoiler over here. Or if you really want to make sure, you could just simply go for the file name as well and just simply provide spoiler underscore my photo, which is your name, .png. So pretty much this is all the methods that you could do to send an image with a spoiler. And from here, as you can see, it should be a spoiler picture. There you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.